Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce another educational course to you. If you want to shine in graphic design, this course is just for you. It is perfect for those who are just starting their journey into design and want to learn the basics clearly and confidently. It's also ideal for digital artists and creative individuals looking to create eye-catching designs, professional logos, and stunning illustrations. And for entrepreneurs and content creators who want their branding to be unique and memorable, this course is a game changer. With hands-on projects, practical exercises, and step-by-step guidance, this course not only teaches, but prepares you for the world of design. This course has nearly 29,000 students and a rating of 4.3, making it both popular and practical. The current price is about €20. By purchasing it, you'll get full access and future updates. The total duration is 3.5 hours and you will receive a certificate upon completion. In this course, you'll learn interface and introduction of Illustrator, use of tools and ribbons, use of library, number of projects. Now I want to offer this incredible course to you, completely free and legally. To see how it works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Then simply open your browser and search in Google for the address, discountedcourseninja.com. From the results shown, click on the link. Make sure the site address matches what is shown here and you'll be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you'll land on the homepage. On this site, you can access various discount coupons for courses. You can search for your desired course using the search bar, or explore your favorite topics in the categories section. Now you'll find our course listed there. To get the coupon for this course, scroll down and click on Get the Coupon. The course will now be offered to you for free. Note that the coupon is time limited. With just a few clicks, you've now gained free and legal access to this course. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.